Today, I'm gonna finish something. Because if I do, I can start something new, right? The mug rug sample is finished. I spent a few minutes this morning working on my gingerbread man, making a little progress there. And that reminded me that I needed to finish editing the tutorial on how to do the chain stitch. So later in the afternoon, I worked on that.
I'm using 2 strands of embroidery cloth.
And I'm happy to report that video is now on my YouTube channel. So that's quite a bit to get done today, and some progress made on the gingerbread man. So I have finished 2 things, which means now I can start 4, right? That's crafter math. Until tomorrow, bye.